crank. Get that started. Oh. Okay. Take both of these and lift them up here. Take that up, line that up there. Take this other one. Do the same thing up this other side. Maybe. There we go. Oh, got it jammed up. Jammed up and jelly tight. There we go. That up there. There we go. These chains up out of the way. And here, top, bottom gear in a little bit. I know a wrench isn't a hammer. Now we need some cam gears. Got some nice new ones here. Ooh. Don't work very well when you drop it. Okay. One there. This one can go up in here again. Okay. Now we can put the tensioner slides in. This I have to reuse the old ones with because the new ones don't fit. With the tension on here, well, looks like this one might be a little bit off, might be a tooth off. These, you should be able to draw a straight line through here, through the center of the bolt, through the other hole, all the way across to the other side. You can use a straight edge. Nope, that don't look right. I'm gonna get these lined up and I'll bring you back. Okay. One there. This one can go up in here again. Okay. Now we can put the tensioner slides in. This I have to reuse the old ones with because the new ones don't fit. with the tension on here. Well, looks like this one might be a little bit off, might be a tooth off. These, you should be able to draw a straight line through here, through the center of the bolt, through the other hole, all the way across to the other side. You can use a straight edge. Nope, that don't look right. All right, I'm getting this cam gear lined up. I've got a straight edge so I can hold it here. Now it goes through there, through that point like this. Take the tension out and it lines up. There's 3 holes in the gear. You want your level to go across like this on the right side. Well, the left side of the engine. Right side when you're looking at it from here. The other side's going to be the same thing, except there's a rivet. There's rivets in there. So you're going to measure. You're going to line them up straight across here on this side. That's why I set the engine at top dead center on number 1, lined up that timing mark first. Because they give you some colored links here and you're supposed to be able to see through steel, you know, and line these up. It's not that easy. So rather than do that, I just do this, that way I ain't got to worry about those colored links. We got that one lined up. Now we'll line this one up. Roll the chain here until this one here looks level, like this. Ooh. I gotta switch sides here. Now we got that one lined up. I think. Nope, one tooth off yet. That looks better. More better. Okay, as you can see, I've got cam gears are lined up, chains are on, tensioners are all in place, pins are pulled. I'm getting ready to put the timing cover back on. Put this thing back together. I found had to make some adjustments here with these new tensioners. I'd use some different bolts. The old tensioners didn't fit with the new chain, so or the tensioner slides didn't fit with the new chain. Okay, as you can see, I've got cam gears are lined up, chains are on, tensioners are all in place. Pins are pulled. I'm getting ready to put the timing cover back on. Put this thing back together. I found had to make some adjustments here with these new tensioners. I'd use some different bolts. The old tensioners didn't fit with the new chain, so or the tensioner slides didn't fit with the new chain, so I had to use the new slides and replace the bolts with a different style bolt. It's kind of the fun of mixing and matching parts, right? As you can see, it's slowly going back together. Got the valve cover on. Got the timing cover on, harmonic balancer is now on. I double checked everything before I put the valve cover on, make sure I had this harmonic balancer at 0 or lined up on those lines. Made sure my holes across here through the bolt were level, and same thing over here. Now I'm going to put the other valve cover on, start hooking some wires up, and get this thing buttoned up. We'll check back in a little bit. Alright, you can see now got this thing all put back together. And just put oil in it and some coolant. Gotta put a belt on yet, and air cleaner, and we're ready to start this. Alright, now we've got everything all hooked up. We're ready to give it a whirl. Gotta like that when it cracks right off. Now I'm going to put this belt on and finish it up. So the truck fired up on the first turn of the key. We got it all bled out, got the antifreeze filled, oil is checked. Make sure when you do a project like this, you got the timing chain cover off, or any time you're going to have a chance of mixing fluids, make sure you change your oil. I had about a quart of antifreeze in the oil pan, so that's expected. I expected I was going to do an oil change anyway. So keep that in mind. I did most of this with pretty average tools. Impact wrench, I did it on the floor here in the shop, not up in the air like I normally do. And you know, mine might appear a little different than what yours was or is, because I've got some different cams in mine, and I used a different timing chain set from a newer engine which needed a lot of modifications. Make sure if you got any comments, leave a comment below or a question, and hit that thumbs up and subscribe somewhere down there, and stay tuned and check out some of my other videos. If you got any questions, you can always find me in the Jeep groups on Facebook, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. See ya.